If you ever spot a dollar bill with something like this, all 8 digits the same, then definitely don't spend it because you could be sitting on thousands of dollars. Yeah, even on a single dollar bill. Here's why they are so insanely rare, how to spot them, and what they actually sell for in real auctions. These are solid serial numbers. So a solid serial number is exactly what it sounds like. All 8 digits on the bill are identical. So think all threes, all nines, or in this epic example, all sevens. There are only 9 true solid serial numbers in the entire US currency system. That's it. And get this, they occur roughly once every 11 million notes. So this is one of the most rare serial numbers you can find. It's even rarer than most lottery odds. So why are they rare and what are they worth? Let's break it down a bit. Serial numbers run from 1 to 99,999,999. So that's almost 100 million possibilities, but only 9 of those are solid serial numbers. And the Bureau of Engraving and Printing doesn't even use the entire range in every run, so you may have less examples of solid serial numbers depending on the series year. Some notes stop short of 96 million, meaning many solids, especially high numbers like all 8s or all 9s, would never even get printed necessarily. Add in the fact that misprinted notes are replaced by star notes, so some solid serial numbers would get yanked even before they hit the public circulation. So let's talk about actual value. What do these things really sell for in auction, and what are the final prices from places like heritage auctions, Stack's Bowers, etc.? So this is like the juiciest part. What are these things really worth? A $1 bill with all 8s was graded PMG 66 and sold for $2,760 in 2021. A $20 solid 6 serial number note went for over $6,000 on eBay. Even circulated ones, if they're solid serial numbers, can bring hundreds to thousands of dollars depending on the bill and the condition. There are solid star notes out there, one of which sold for over $10,000 back in 2001. In short, these are worth a ton of money. Even if we break it down to general sales, a circulated $1 bill with a solid serial number can sell for a few $100s. Uncirculated examples of these, depending on denomination, can sell for $3,000 or more. So the higher the denomination, the higher the potential value, especially if it's in top condition. But solid serial numbers on lower denominations are, of course, also valuable. So let's talk a bit more about collecting them and some things you should do if you ever do have one. So some tips for collectors would be to get your solid serial numbers graded immediately by PMG or PCGS. Store them in archival sleeves to prevent wear, at the minimum, a top loader or something protective. Check every stack of notes you get, even in pocket change. Check out my videos so you know what else to look for and how to care for it. And if you find one, you'll want to make sure that if you're going to sell it, then sell it through a reputable place like Heritage and Auction House or your local shop if you trust them. So next time you're checking your change or cashing out at that ATM, take a second to scan those serial numbers. It's rare but possible that you would find one of these really awesome solid serial numbers and you're holding on to a mini jackpot. So if you want to see real examples of high dollar sales, rare note errors, and serial number information, then hit the subscribe button, drop a comment on what you've been coming across lately in your coin, banknote, and collectible searches, and check out my full currency value guides at VarietyErrors.com. I'll see you guys in the comments, and I'll see you in the next video.